Namaste, I am Ajay and I make yoga videos for you. Okay, let's get started. We can start with the mantra chanting. First of all, just sit a simple cross leg position. No need to take any kind of stress in this position here. Just be feel free and stable in this position. Make sure your back should be straight and lengthened. Shoulder should be rolled. Chest should be lifted up. Navel should be right. And then gently close your eyes from here. Both palm in the Namaskar Mudra. As a beginning, we will chant the start mantra together. Breathe in. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Vunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvisavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly bring down your head. Pranam Priyasana first of all. Then release the palm. Gently open your eyes. Now we will start today's practice. Just simple Ashtanga sequence. But if you are a beginner, you can take a simple way of this practice. No need to take vinyasa as I'm doing. You can go simply with
Step by step. Okay, let's get
Now
started.
again, take your both palm on the way. Open your right feet about to the 4 feet apart or 3.5 feet apart as you like. Now asana name is Parasarita Padutona Asana. A, B, C, D. Now how to do it? Just simple. Both palm on the waist. Roll the shoulders, chest down. Inhale, open up, exhale, move down. Make sure your spine should be straight and then hip should be more engaged, glute engaged, and slowly go down. Drop your both palms between your feet. Inhale and with exhale. This is called Parasarita Padutona Asana. Exhale, press yourself down, bend the elbows, and relax here. Now inhale all the way up. Exhale. Now from here, both palms on the way. Inhale, lift the chest part up. Rotate the shoulder back. Inhale, Parasarita Paduttonasana. Big exhale. Lengthen your spine. Move down. Again, inhale. All the way up. Exhale. Take your both palms side by side. Interlock your fingers behind the back. Reach up. Parasarita Paduttonasana. C. Exhale. Again, inhale. Release the palm. Last one. Parasarita Paduttonasana. D. Exhale. Now from here, hold your big toes like this. First two finger and thumb. Inhale. And with exhale, bend the elbows. Stretch your body down. Very well. Now again, inhale. All the way up. Exhale. Both palm on the waist. Come up fully way. Turn your left feet to the front side and then come to the Samasthiti.
In the beginning, now stand the Samasthiti Mudra. Your toes together, little bit heels gap. Now start. Sun salutation A. Ekam inhale. Look up thumb. Dvay exhale. Treni inhale halfway. Chatwari exhale. Jump a step back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now stay here in this position, Adho Mukha. If possible, try to look your navel. If not possible, you can look your nose tip. Relax 5, breathe here. Focused breathe. Focus your body. Shoulder blade open. Now simply bend the knees and step front between the both palms. With exhale, Punuttanasana. Inhale all the way up. Drishti on your thumb. Exhale, Samastiti. Ekam inhale. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, look up halfway. Chatwari, jump back chaturanga. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Again hold. 5 count here. This time try to do Ujjayi breathe throat sound. Relax your whole body. Steady your kneecap lock. Tailbone should be lifted towards to the ceiling. Heels on the ground if possible. Try to lift your toes up. Now bend the knees, step front again. Exhale fully down. Now inhale up. Samastiti, exhale. Sun salutation B, 9 count vinyasa. Ekam, inhale up, utkat. Dve, exhale, Purnuttanasana. Trini, inhale, Ardhuttanasana. Chatwari, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapto, take your right feet between the palm, Veerbhadrasana A. Asto, exhale, drop the palm, Chaturanga. Now inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Dasa, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ekadasa, inhale, up. Dwadasa, exhale, Chaturanga. Triyodasa, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasa, exhale, Adho Mukha. Now stay here, 5 breathe, 5 Ujjayi breathe. Try to keep warm your body through the Ujjayi breathe. Study your breathe, study yourself. No need to take a strain, just feel free. Just focus yourself. Panchadasa, inhale, bend the knees, step front. Shodasa, exhale, Purnuttanasana. Saptodasa, with the bend the knees, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samastiti. Now, standing postures. Both palm on the waist. Inhale and open your feet about to the hip distance. With exhale, lengthen your spine, move down. Hold your big toe, first 2 finger and thumb, Padangushtha Asana. Inhale, look up halfway up, then exhale, bend the elbows and stretch your upper body towards to the thighs. Your heart towards to the knee or the shin. Your mount of the heart towards to the mat. Stay here in this position. If you are beginners, you can micro bend the knees. Try to touch your outer abdominal muscles on your thighs. Focus here, few breaths. Now inhale, look up halfway. Then exhale, take your both palm under the feet. Padhastasana. Make sure your thumb, your big toe touch your wrist. Inhale halfway. Again with exhale, slowly bend the elbows outward side. Stretch your upper body again in the same position. Try to touch your abdominal muscles on your thighs. Just relax your few breathe. Feel the stretch on your hamstrings, on your calves. Knee cup, try to lock. Don't get injured yourself in this position. Inhale, look up halfway. Then exhale, release the palm. Take your both palm on the waist all the way up. And with a jump, Samastiti. Now again from here, standing, see the second posture called Uttita Trikonasana. Now from here, both palm again on the waist. Take your right feet back about 2.5 or 3 feet apart, open. Now left feet turn inside, toes. Right feet turn outside, toes parallel to the mat. Now make sure your heels to heels align in this position. Yes, now inhale, open the palm side by side. Then exhale, go down slowly. Try to hold your big toes if possible. If not possible, hold your shin. If again not possible, you can hold your knee. Stay in this position. Drishti, Hastag. Stay here. Keep calm your body. Feel the stretch on torso. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, switch the side from here. Same. Left feet toes out. Then exhale, slowly go down. Hold the big toes. If not possible, hold in. If it's still not possible, you can hold your knees. And then again, open up. Drishti Hastagra. Focus on your breathe. Spine fully erect and stretched. Then again inhale, slowly come up. Exhale now again from here. Parivritta Trikonasana. Take your right feet outside toes parallel to the mat. Now this time left feet turn 45 to 60 degree inside. Turn your trunk to the front side of your right feet. Now right palm on the waist, left palm up, then slowly exhale, go down and left palm beside of your right feet. Make sure the palm outward side. Then slowly lift the left palm up and try to look your palm Hastagra Drishti. Hold here, breathe, feel the stretch. Inhale up gently. Then exhale, switch the side, same position with the opposite side. Inhale up, with exhale, drop the palm outward side of your leg. Stay here, feel the twist on the spine, on the trunk. Inhale all the way up. Now both palm on the waist, come front, Samastitihi. Exhale. Now from your another asana, Uttita Parsukona Asana. Both palm on the waist. Open your right feet to the back side about 3.5 feet apart. Open. Take your right feet toes outward side. Open the palm side by side. First bend the right knee. Then exhale. Drop your right palm outside of your right feet. If you are beginners or you cannot do this position, you can take your right hand under inside of your right feet. Feel the stretch on the torso and your armpit. Inhale up, exhale, switch the side and do the same with the opposite. Exhale, bend the left knee, make sure knee underneath your ankle. Then if possible, try to look your palm. Make sure you open your navel outward side as much as you can. Okay, if not possible, you can use your fingertip or you can take your palm inside of your feet. Inhale up, straight the knees, both palm on the waist. Exhale, Samastitihi. Now fully relax your body here. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. No need to take stress.
Standing posture called Parsuttanasana. How to do it? First of all, both palm on the waist, move to the side by side. Now take your both palms behind the back in the Namaskar Mudra, like this. If you are not possible to do this, you can hold your elbows with the hand like this. If possible, make a Namaskar Mudra behind the back, adjust the body. Very well. Now same position, take the right feet outside, left feet in. Inhale, then slowly look up, head up. With exhale, go down. Parsuttanasana. Fully feel the stretch on the shoulders as well as stretch on your calves, your hamstring muscles. Try to lengthen your spine and look your toes. Again, inhale, gently come up, exhale, same position with the opposite side. Switch to the side, inhale, lift it up, take it up, exhale. Gently come up, inhale. Come to the center, exhale, release the palm. Inhale, take your palm on the waist. If you are a beginner, you can do modification of the asana. As I told you, you can hold your elbow, okay, and then you can bend your knee little bit, micro bend your knee, and then go down and touch your hand on your knee. Very well. Okay, now another asana called Uttita Padangustasana. How to do it? First, make sure you're comfortable, both palm on the waist. Now simply bend the right knee If you are beginner, you can hold your knee like this and stay in this position. Or if you are advanced practitioner, hold the big toe and then slowly stretch the feet up like this. With exhale, now slowly take the feet outside and then look to the opposite side. Again inhale, then exhale. Come to the front. Inhale and exhale. Bring your head towards to the ceiling. Again inhale, come up and exhale. Release the feet and stay your feet on the air. Then with exhalation, Samasthiti. Now you can do it with the other feet. Inhale. If you are beginner, same hold the position here. If you are advanced practitioner, hold the big toes and then same position. Inhale and stretch. Then exhale, take the feet outside. Make sure focus. With exhalation. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, release the feet here. Inhale and exhale. This is first standing balancing posture. Very good. Fully relax your body here. Another asana, Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. Just take a little bit gap to the front of the mat. Both palm on the way. Now take your right feet, bend the right feet, and then make it in the half lotus position. Good. With exhale, now your right hand take around your back and try to hold your right big toe like this. Inhale up. Exhale, bend the knees and then simply go down. Balance the body here, adjust yourself. Okay, now simplification of this asana, you don't need to grab your big toes. Okay, use your both hands out. If you still cannot reach on the mat, you can take 2 blocks on the hand and stay here like this. Very well. Now inhale, slowly bend the knees first, all the way up. Exhale, release the feet. Samasthiti. Now change the side with the opposite. Inhale. Good. Exhale. Your big toes. Inhale up. Exhale. Bend the knees and then simply go down. And now you know the modification. So you don't need to grab your big toes. Just simply drop your both palms down. Good. Again. Inhale. Bend the knees. Adjust your body all the way up. Exhale and Samasthiti. Now from here, another asana called Utkatasana. We will do it, this Utkatasana, with a vinyasa or sun salutation. See how to do it. Breathe. Ekam inhale. Doi exhale. Treni look up halfway. Now Chatwari exhale. Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Chat exhale, downward facing dog. Now Sapto, jump front and come to the Utkatasana. Up. Hold here. At least 5 breaths. Now exhale again, go to the vinyasa, drop the palm. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, bend the knees. Now try to jump up as high as you can. Like this. And then jump back Chaturanga. Tuck the toes, reach up. Reach down. Now we will do Veerbhadrasana A and B. Warrior 1 and 2. Inhale, take the left feet, 45 to 60 degree turn in, and right feet front of the mat between the both palms. Now inhale, gently come up, all the way. Hold here. Then simply straight your knee and move to the opposite side. Now from here, Veerbhadrasana B, open the palm side by side, feet 90 degrees. Front knee still bend. Your knee should be over your ankle. Again inhale, gently come up, exhale, switch to the side. As I told you, your knee should be underneath your ankle. Now take a vinyasa. Roll the both palm down. Very well. If you can jump, now simply take a little bit this feet back. Back foot, lift up, bend the knee, and jump back chaturanga. If you are beginners, no need to take a vinyasa. Just go easy and simply exhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Now simply bend the knees and come to the front. Okay, this was standing asanas of Ashtanga primary series. So for today, is this is okay. Now next day I will teach you sitting postures of Ashtanga primary series. Thank you everyone. Namaste and keep continue with me. And subscribe, like and share my channel. The channel name Yogic City. I am Ajay Rawat. Thank you very much. Namaste.